Welcome to the Wolverines. Today we are going to be listening to, drum roll, fart noises! And we're going to see if the kids and I laugh at these or if we can keep a straight face. Hunter, what do you think? You going to be able to keep a straight face or are you going to laugh?
I'll be able to keep a straight face.
What about you, Cole?
I will.
You'll laugh or not laugh?
No.
Avery, are you going to laugh or not laugh?
No. No.
Addison?
I'll bet you $100.
Hey guys, so here's the game. I'm going to be playing the real farts on my phone. We have it linked to our TV, so you should be able to hear it. And if it's funny, try not to laugh. Wait, listen to that. Okay guys, who's ready for another one?
Me.
Okay, here we go. Try not to laugh.
No. No.
Okay, one more time. Everybody listen.
Daddy's disgusting.
All right. Pretty funny. Who didn't laugh? Raise your hand.
I didn't laugh the first
Okay.
time.
All right. Here's number 2. Okay, I'm gonna play it again.
Like a machine gun.
I'm gonna play it again for our audience. Try not to laugh so our audience can hear it.
Like a machine. He might want to check his fur on that one.
Okay, guys, here's number 3. Everybody ready? Take a deep breath. Okay, try not to laugh at this one. Here we go.
He went to Taco Bell that night. He definitely went to Taco Bell. Let's laugh with Shannon.
Okay, here we go.
That's what Lindsay did.
Shh, here we go. Ready?
Might want to check his underwear to see if it's ripped or not. I can smell it through the camera. I didn't think I ripped your underwear.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here's another one. Ready? Everybody quiet. Listen and try not to laugh.
No.
That's like a beluga whale. That's a balloon. You might want to check your underwear.
Okay, one more time. That was a crazy one. Shh. Everybody quiet. Ready for the audience?
He built up a gas bubble.
Let's let our audience.
He built up a gas bubble.
Here, let's let the audience listen to this one.
No.